What's up, guys? It's the Thunderbolt Center Man here. I hope lighting's not terrible. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys all my fire alarms I have because someone requested on my BG8 video, Mr. Barlett Traffic Lights, I think, commented how many alarms that I have. Well, I'll show you right now. So, these are basically all the alarms I have, except the T-bar.
Yeah, too much.
I got 5 total alarms. There's one outside mounted on my...
Really?
Yeah, there's one out there. You can't see, it's on the fence. But I got 5. I got 2 of the same alarm pull stations, which I have 2 BG8s, 1 T-bar, 1 SPO, I think. 1 K, I got a K 270 SPO, and we got a old time. This is actually my first, like, he's annoying sometimes. This is the first ever alarm I got. I got this from Christmas.
I wish.
Don't do it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is, the Fire Bell. It's an HC 1120. And, yeah, this video is specially made for the traffic light guy who commented how many alarms I had.
Thank you.
Thank you for commenting that. And every time if people comment, like, how many stuff or how many, like,
People, do you have any?
people, yeah, anything I'll tell you or anything like that. This is a special video. Thanks for the traffic light guy for commenting down below how much alarms do I have. The total alarms I have was 5. So there's your answer, and I hope you enjoy this video, especially for you, whoever commented. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Peace.